welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. An experienced and certified detective is about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole. Yes, I have some wonderful news for you young police officers. I know that you're going to love it. You understand? Today is April 9th, 2022 at about 6 p.m. my time. I don't know what time it is where you are in the world. Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We're an experienced and certified detectives about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole. For the government or its millions, I hate criminals with a passion and their supporters. I do believe that every criminal should live in fear for their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. The law-abiding citizens are supposed to be feeling protected, safe, and enjoying their lives at home or when they're on the street, free from harassment, threats, coercion, or intimidation. I do believe and support preemptive strikes against criminals wherever they are within the borders of Jamaica, and no criminal should feel safe after committing crimes, especially killing another person. Some people and organizations would call these killings extrajudicial killings, which is misleading and lies and propaganda, and it's all meant to give comfort to the criminals and their criminals, acolytes and supporters within these depraved mind communities in which these people are very lazy. They don't believe in hard work and they do not believe in being resilient and disciplined and educate themselves to take themselves out of poverty. They believe in everything must come up to them like now, 15 seconds like a goldfish. And they do not know that people who have worked very hard to achieve what they have to do it for years. But these people do not believe in it. They believe in get rich quick. You understand? So I am here now today, and we know that we are in the 21st century. You cannot classify as the same because we are now dealing with criminals. We are not dealing with criminals, we are dealing with terrorists. And terrorists must be treated as such. You know, young police officers, do you want to make up to 100,000 US? I want you to listen to me carefully. You understand? Most of you don't even earn 10,000 US per year. So I want you to listen to what I'm saying. You can earn up to $50,000 US on day one when you join the United States Army. You are 50,000 US day one when you join the United States Army. That's what you get for your enlistment bonus. You don't even get anything like that when you join the police force in Jamaica. The same pay that you guys are getting today's date, when you convert it to the United States currency, that's the same money I was getting in 1988. So instead that the constable life is improving, it's not improving. The numbers speaks for itself because when you still convert it, it's less than 10,000 US per year. You understand? I have served in the military here, and I can tell you that it's one of the best things I've ever done with my life in terms of elevating myself mentally, physically, and educationally. Before I joined the military, when I did not know that there were a better life outside of the police force, because throughout my entire life I always think of myself as want to be a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in serving the people there. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, continue to fight for the rights of all the people. But you have to understand that most of these people, they don't even like you. You understand? Because you live in a criminal society. And you want to be in a job that you know that at the end you get when you're in the military, you get paid twice a month. You get paid on the 1st and the 15th, and you can plan accordingly. You're going to be in a job that you don't have to worry after calling anyone overseas to get any money to buy food or to pay bills or to call and beg someone to put credit on your phone. You're gonna be an independent person. Transition from this life where you're just you're just a little, not even a ladder, half a ladder, half a ladder step away from extreme poverty. That police work, it's a poor people, You understand? You just look at the only thing you have over the security guard is the powers. And some security guard even make more money than police officers. So as you have seen before, you've seen the amount of money that you can make from joining the United States Army. For you to join the military, you have to have a green card. You understand? Either you married your wife, petition for your parents. Some of you are there who have called me, have your green card, afraid of letting go of Jamaica and the police force, as if you think that you're joined to the police force from your hip. And you need to get rid of that thought process because you want to live better. You want to create a better environment for yourself, your family, and your children. The police force in Jamaica, you are not going to. It's just like even I was talking to a corporal the other day, 6-year service, thinking about he would like to even become a deputy commissioner of police. I explained to him what he doesn't understand. For you to achieve those ranks in Jamaica in the police force, you have to be involved in politics. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, you have police officers in Jamaica who are politicians. A majority of them, they are aligned to the PNP LGBTQ plus party, whether you want to believe it. Some of them, they are silent politicians, but they are politicians. I know that if you are a person who loves to read, you have seen that we are the senior soap at St. Andrew South, Wayne Cameron, when he was transferred from Huntsville to Marine Division, the water police, he ran to Sharon Brown Burke and told her what happened, why he was transferred. And as a good politician, what you should just came out and outed him. So police think that politicians are there, because they are PMP or they are JP, these politicians are beholden to them, but they are wrong. So as I'm saying to you, young police officers, look, the incentive right now for you to join the Air Force, your bonus can be $15,000 to $35,000 per year US. With some category, you're eligible for $100,000 or $200,000 US just to join the Air Force. But as I've said before, you have to have a green card. So those of you who have your green card, you have your green card 3, 4, 5 years, and you're talking about every time when you're coming up, you're getting stopped by custom and immigration, and they're harassing you because you're not living here, you're not paying any taxes. You understand? So that's the reason why they do that. So the best way for you and them thing, you just need. I know you love the hype life of being a police officer and you feel, but that nice part of the police force is over, man. Think of your life. You understand? Think of your life. Want to elevate yourself. You don't have to, when you join the military here and you're active duty, you don't have to ask anyone to go to school. You get a thing named tuition assistance. You understand? Those who join the military, after you join the military, after 1 year, you get a United States citizenship. You understand what I'm saying? So if you have your parents back home and your siblings and you can file for them, America is the only first world country in the world that you can do that, You understand what I'm saying? You join the military, after 1 year, you become a US citizen. You don't pay for it. The United States government take care of that for you. You don't want anything better than that. Look how much for it. I know the last time I looked at it, I think it was like $700 or something like that. You understand? It's always increasing. Most of you, right now, if you join the United States Navy, you'll earn $25,000 to $15,000 to $50,000 US in bonuses in 1 year. You understand? Most of you, as long as you're in the police force in Jamaica, you will never earn $50,000 for 1 year. Imagine to earn that money day one after you graduate from boot camp. Boot camp is 45 days. Most of you will just sail through it. The hardest part in boot camp, I can tell any one of you, is the is the chamber. You understand what I'm saying? And I'm not going to elaborate on that, because if you go to Green Bay and them thing, that is totally different. And it's just a mind thing. You understand what I'm saying? It is just a mind thing. So you have been through the training and you know how it is. So when you come here, let us slide through 45 days, then and everything that you're doing, it go towards a degree. So when you're active duty, you use tuition assistance, go back to school and get a degree, then you can transition from an enlisted to an officer in the United States military. You don't have to be a part of any clique or anything like that for you to elevate. You understand what I'm saying? Because in the military, they don't treat you differently from who's connected and who's not connected. Once you're qualified, you pass your necessary exam or whatever, automatically you get promotion. You understand what I'm saying? I spent close to 2 decades in the police force in Jamaica, as I joined at a very tender age. And every time that I got promotion in the military, I passed my exam. People don't recommend you for promotion in the military. Once everything is good, you don't have any disciplinary charge against you, and also you're a police officer, so you know how to behave and conduct yourself wherever you are. So that would not be a problem for you. So once you in the military and you pass the exam, automatically you're gonna be promoted. Once you pass it, that's how it is. Nobody don't have to like you or don't like you. It doesn't work like that, because the promotion, it's based on your exam. It's not like how you're down there, you have to do a polygraph and stuff like that. You understand what I'm saying? Because the real criminals, are the police, are the people in the upper echelon, are the police force, You understand what I'm saying? Because I see there's two DCP right now in the police force, and those guys should not even be there, but that's how it is in Jamaica. You don't want to be there, pretty much, rustling and tussling, like crab in barrel, man. You want to make yourself a better person. You understand? That's why I'm telling you to leave. You understand? This is your chance to leave. The only branch I would not encourage you to join is the United States Marine at this moment, because, the bonus is $1,000 US. Everybody loves money. So you will go for where the biggest money is, the biggest bonus. But if you're good at math, when I say math, algebra and stuff like that, the Air Force and the Navy is your best bet. You understand? The Marine and the Army, you don't have to be good at maths. You understand what I'm saying? They just want you just, minimum. And you understand what I'm saying? But the promotion in the Army, it's really, really rapid. You understand? But the Air Force and the Navy, that's the elite branch. But the best branch is the Air Force. You understand? So young police, this is your chance, to make yourself a better man, better woman. Those of you have green card, stop sitting it down there and pining over St. Andrew Holiness Police Work and the Commissioner of Police. You see the other day that they promoted 10 members from the military. These people do not have degrees, but I'll touch on that later on. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to make yourself better, a better person, this is your chance. Those of you have your green card sitting on it and complaining that every time you come, they ask you, because you make sure you travel every 6 months. You don't want that. Come on, join the military. Make yourself better. You're going to enjoy it. You're going to see. You get to travel places. You're going to meet people from all walks of life, man. If you join the Air Force or the Air Force or the Navy, you get to travel the world. You understand? And station all over. So, thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Young police officers, this is your chance to make yourself a better man, a better woman in Tell St. Andrew Holiness and Mark Golden. Tata, goodbye, and the FLA and all those people, and make yourself a better man and woman. It's time for you to leave a Jamaican Constabulary Force and make a better life. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Have yourself a blessed day. All the best. One love. Peace.